Steve 69, digging into the brakes, got all the wheels off. Let's take a look at 51-year-old, 2,600 mile, never been screwed with brakes, except the wheel cylinders out back. All right, so here we are on the left front, 51 years old, and Steve just drove this here, obviously, but there is definitely pitting in the rotor from obviously sitting. But I mean, everything turns freely. It's got a little bit of drag to it. But I mean, these are original factory pads. They've never been out. The rubber boots on the sliders are rotten because they're original. You saw the ball joints prior when we did the underside of the car. But there's grease coming out, which is fine. Little split boot, but we're not going to change this for that little bit. I mean, this car's not going to see that many miles, and I don't want to get rid of the ball joints are tight and nice. We just keep them greased and be fine. But as you can see, some's dripped out on the bump stop, but that stuff's all pretty good. But the brakes, the pads are original. You can see them in there. And the thickness is good and everything. But everything's so rusty and the rubber's so cracked. Oh, wow. I just touched that and that came apart. So definitely want to maybe redo the sliders and everything. I might even say the hell with it and throw rotors on here, because it is brakes, so it's kind of a safety deal. But gonna let Steve decide. All right, over here on the right front, you know, second verse same as the first, so to speak. But I'm not Henry VIII. I am Henry VIII. I am. And so pitting, original pads, which is incredible. No matter what we do, we should definitely save those. That's pretty damn neat. Tripping over lug nuts here on the floor. Pad material. And then there's the safety wire down there, which we need to go through. But yeah, rubbers. That just came off on my hand too. Where's my hand? Oh, there. See? Just touched it and it went. So, I think we're going to need to do that, but we shall see. Right rear of the car. These shoes, 25/2 of 2019. These shoes are brand new. They've got a little bit of surface patina, but the shoes themselves are new. The wheel cylinders are new. The springs are OEM original. And the hardware is all original, but that's okay. You know, they just have surface patina on them. They obviously aren't worn out because they haven't done much work in 50 some odd years. Here's the inside of our drum. It looks like they never actually turned it. So there's surface rust everywhere. But these are original factory markings. But definitely could use a solid turning. Alright, left rear corner. Second verse, same as the first. Like I said on the fronts. I'm not going to sing the song again. OE, look at that. It's hard to see, but it says Bendix. That's freaking cool. I love seeing old school stuff like that. That's in that good a shape. Yeah, springs, everything seemed to be original. The shoes have been replaced. They have hardly any wear on them, so I would just turn the drums and let these babies ride. But you can see the rust line. They definitely did not turn these and then just drove it hoping for the best. You know, that's like $40. I have no idea why someone would half-ass things, but it's a world full of people that half-ass things, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm never shocked at anything. But look at that. Obviously, wheel cylinder's been replaced as well.